Hello everybody, welcome back to Low IQ Fishing. Thanks for clicking on the video. We definitely appreciate that. We appreciate all the support that you guys give us, every one of you that watches these videos. So today we are going to Table Rock. Who would have thought? I'm going with Ross today. We're actually gonna go upriver today and see what's shaking up that way. We're gonna launch at Cape Fear, head upwards and see what's happening. We haven't been up there yet. It's gonna be pretty windy, but it's gonna be warm. And let's see here. We were supposed to have rain. There's a small chance of rain until 10. The clouds are supposed to start parting more and more throughout the day, and then it's just gonna be full sunshine by 2. I doubt it's gonna rain, but it could a little bit. But we haven't gotten anything yet, and the highest chance of rain is already passed. So anyways, that's what the weather's looking like today. I don't know what that's gonna mean for the fishing. I have no idea. We went last weekend, there was no wind and it was cloudy and we caught 3 fish. Like I said, that cold front came through last week, so maybe with it being warm a couple days, maybe it'll be good today. The wind's definitely not gonna hurt anything. It being partly cloudy is not gonna hurt anything. So yeah, we'll just see what's going on. I'm sure water temps are probably mid-50s still. It's also, the nights, I think even since Friday, have only been in the 50s, so they haven't really gotten too cold, of course. So yeah, we're just gonna go down there and see what's going on in the river. I don't know, it could be really good. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go meet up with him. You guys know how it goes, and then we're gonna head down there. So see you guys in a bit. Drinking plug? Yep. Yeah. Red wart. Finally, he hit me and I threw right back. Largemouth too. Pretty cool. Yeah. There he is. I had to stop my rod to feel if there was a fish on there or not. I got a medium heavy. I just pulled a rod. It's not even the rod I use. There he is. We're getting bigger. Go another way. Yeah. What, inch by inch. Working our way to our first keeper. That's a good one right there, buddy. Heck yeah. No, it's not. It felt better. Nope, forget it. It's a little Kentucky. It felt a lot heavier at first. And then I quickly realized, nope.
Every time I pick up a real one, I've gotten a bite. But they just can't get it in there. They're just like little bumps, you know?
Yep.
He hit you pretty light.
No, that's why I thought it was just like smack, like down, like it felt heavy, and then I was like, ah, no, never mind. It's just this. All he would use, he would not use a bait caster, and he caught a freaking big one.
Better?
Nah. Same size. I just want to catch fish. I'll change. Man, I had.
Got him?
Yeah. Finally, one actually got it in his pie hole. All Kentuckers.
Like, we got this boat wrapped in cameras, dude. Somebody's gonna do something.
Somebody's gonna die, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna freaking Jake Paul it.
Got him?
Yeah.
Got any size to him?
No.
No, cool.
You little squirrely bastard.
Hey, they didn't like that 20 foot of water. You know, we caught them, it was like 10 or 12, and then you caught a couple in the middle there, that real kind of fluffy looking thing. And then I got a bite the minute we rolled up on this little...
That's a little largemouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that water. It's where all these little guys are in. Look how little this thing is. One of them was like, hey man, I was just like out riding my horse near that that cliff. Yeah, I know what cliff you're talking about. Yeah, like not too far from camp. And I was riding my horse, like trying to shoot this deer, and that sucker just ran right off the damn thing. So I was thinking, like, dude, like maybe we can all get together and just drive him right through the woods, right to the cliff.
Yeah.
Holy shit! Why didn't we ever think of that?
Yeah. Somebody had that
Somebody
moment.
did that, and it was like, oh my god, and ran back.
That
and was
people
like,
take for
dude.
granted. Somebody had that moment.
Yeah.
Where they're like, hey, got this freaking crazy idea.
Everybody get on your horse right now.
Yeah. Let's all climb up in the trees when we're hunting.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Hey, I just got some shoulders.
Oh
No! Crap, dude. My glasses were completely covered with
Nice.
water, and I turned to the sun, dude. I couldn't see.
Oh, I don't doubt it.
That's why I come off plane so fast. I'm like, I don't care what this looks like. Like, these guys don't know how much danger they're in right now. They're not putting two and two together, apparently.
Yeah.
That fish hit me and 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 finally got a hold of it. I just kept reeling through them. I was like, am I hitting the bottom? That one wasn't coming off anytime soon.
No. He's bound up pretty good.
Don't want to hurt his mouth. So what do I need to do here to make sure that doesn't happen? Just bear with me, buddy. This will all be over with soon. There we go. That was the right way to do that. Okay.
I honestly couldn't even remember the last time I went down there and saw them. It was like months were rolling by. So
There you go. Spider bait?
dude, oh, it feels a lot better. I don't know if it is or not though.
Spider.
Felt good when he jerked down a couple times.
Friday. Helped get that gate all back together on the trailer.
Think he'll keep? Or is he 14?
He might be a squeaker. He's probably 14.
Yeah, I think so. Largy though.
40.
There it is. See it? Shit, can't tell. He tanked it. I've been having very good luck on a spinnerbait this year. Whoa!
Largemouth.
Sometimes you just gotta smell them. Green. Look at this freaking. Look what I did though with this spinnerbait. Like, please hit a weight and make sure that it comes over right. Really, I mean,
Okay, but I'm just
have
we're
it-
done for the day and we're going back.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
just gonna take off, man.
Yeah.
I mean, we're first going. It does really good in rough water, but not that rough.
I don't mind. I haven't freaking, like I said. Oh my god. Gotcha.
Oh hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Wobbler.
Yeah. Let's go.
They think they want something more related to the bottom, you know.
Woo! Finally.
Keeper.
Got him. Got him. Look at that.
Good looking.
A lot of largemouth today. I'll take it. Yep. That's what she is. Look at his nose, dude.
You see how he came into the net?
Yeah.
Straight tail look.
You got, look, no, even arm. Get hit in the head with a crank.
Looks like he has some kind of cut like infection or something. Looks like he's eating good.
He's healthy.
A wobbler.
Oh, that felt good.
You're so glad you caught that fish. So glad you picked the wobbler. You're like, man, I feel like I should be. I'm like, throw that sucker. It's a wobbly kind of thing. Man, I needed that. Started thinking like, man,
Let's
this is
go.
like where we're going should be bites. Like, I
Yeah.
don't understand. Maybe they just want something on the bottom that in, maybe just relating more to slow.
Yeah.
You'd think it'd be the opposite.
this. The camera's on. Yes. Yep. Hang Alright guys, so that's a wrap on that one. Yeah, another day on Table Rock. And a decent day on Table Rock. Wasn't super great. Caught some small ones. I finally got one keeper in the boat right at the end of the day. Ross lost a keeper, so wasn't the worst day ever. Wasn't a great day. But we got it done. Or it wasn't a great day for fishing. I still had a lot of fun, of course. Of course, I love being out there. Wind was insane. The freaking Ross's dash cam was just kept pointing up constantly every wave we hit, and I couldn't keep the YOLO-Tech on. Like, it kept, like, the wire, I think, was just jiggling. The light pole stayed on, but just the wire would jiggle a little bit and kill my camera, so I had a hard time keeping that on when we were running. But it is what it is. It was pretty rough out there, but nothing, you know, nothing we couldn't handle, but it was pretty rough. That was some crazy, crazy wind. But we made it. We're alive. Had a good day. Caught some fish. Water temps were upper 50s. I think it was 56 at the end. I didn't look at the, I think it was like mid 50s this morning, if I remember right. I didn't keep looking at it. I didn't really look at the graph for like most of the day in the afternoon, so I don't know what it was. I am assuming probably upper 50s. It probably got to like 56 or 57, something like that. Probably upper 50s. That is about all I have to say about that one. It was a good day. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, so if you subscribe to the channel, it's much appreciated. Kelby was not in this video, but follow Kelby Humble Fishing on Facebook. That's much appreciated. It's a way to support him. And go to motionfishing.com. If you go to motionfishing.com and you use the code KH15, you can get 15% off every order there. So that's much appreciated. That's a great way to support Kelby as well. But yeah, that is going to be it for this one, guys. I have some stuff I got to go do. So we will see you guys. We will see you guys actually Saturday for sure. We have a tournament this Saturday and we are going to it. It's on Stockton. I don't know if we're gonna be able to pre-fish for that one though. I really don't know. We're gonna try to, but with Kelby's schedule, we're not sure if it's gonna happen or not. If not, it'll be fine. But we might be pre-fishing for that Friday. We just don't know yet. But tournament definitely Saturday is happening. So on Stockton, so that'll be fun. So if I'm not on the water Friday, that will be the next trip. Is going to be USA Bassin, Stockton Lake, first tournament of the year. Finally going to get to a tournament. We're not screwing around this time. We're getting out there. So we will see you guys on Stockton, if not before. And until then, see you guys.